Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear that? It must be the trumpets. That means it's toy time. Hoaki tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama Jojo Ma Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because they bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
No mai ki te whare. Ko mai a tōku ingoa, and this is my whānau.
Kia ora, ko Tama aho.
And I'm Jojo. Have you met our good friend Mōhio?
Mōhio,
Mihi atu.
Tēnā koutou, welcome to our whare.
And, where are those other two? Kia ora.
I'm Oma. I'm a rapati.
And I'm Wolfie, the cuddliest wolf in town.
Ai, ko koe tēnā, Wolfie.
Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Who's got a mother? A mum? A mama?
Do you have a father? A dad? A papa?
What about siblings? A sister? A brother? And grandparents? Nan and Pop? Granddad and Grandma?
Your whānau might live in your house. They might live on your street. Some might live far, far away, and seeing them might be a treat. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Do you have an auntie? She's the sister of your mum or dad. What about uncles? He's the brother of your dad or mum.
Do you have any cousins? Do you get to play? If they live far, far away, when you see them, do you shout hooray?
Families all look different. There's not one way they all should be. You might have one, you might have none. You might have 10 or 5 or 3. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see. Who is in your whānau? Who's in your family? Everyone looks different. Who do we have here? Let me see.
Well, what are we up to today, e te whānau?
Maya, are we your whānau?
You sure are.
But I thought you had to be related to be whānau.
Ka kite tai, Jojo. Whānau usually refers to your relatives. Whānau also extends to those you choose to include in your family as well. So close friends might also be referred to as your whānau.
Cool. Then I have a massive whānau.
Oh, me too. And Jojo, my whānau includes you.
Aww. Hey, let's find Tama. I want him to know he's in my whānau too.
Check it out! I'm setting up my campsite. I love camping, sleeping in a tent, cooking outdoors, and my favorite thing to do is tell stories around the campfire with my whānau. See here? I've set up my tent and I have this cool head torch for when it's nighttime. On, off. This is my mattress and this is my sleeping bag. Have you used a sleeping bag before? Well, let me show you. Now, you can wriggle in lying down, but I like to do it standing up. Pretty cool, huh? Then you can wriggle back out, or you just unzip it and you're free, see? Perfect sleeping bag. I have some great stories for tonight. But first, I'd better make sure to collect enough firewood for the fire. There, a nice pile of wood ready. This gives me an idea. I wonder if I remember to pack. Yes! The marshmallows! I love toasting marshmallows over the fire. But I'd better find long sticks for everyone so that they can put their marshmallows on the end. Aha! Here we go. One for Maya, one for Jojo, and one for me. Ooh, I can't wait to show the others I love camping.
I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my mama, she gives the best hugs. I love my papa, he also gives the best hugs. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. I love my sister, she shares her lollies with me. I love my brother, he also shares his lollies with me. Woohoo! Yeah! I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even uncles too. I love my whānau, my family, I do. Sisters and brothers and mothers and fathers and even aunties too. Even Nana too. Even cousins too. And baby sisters too.
Kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, your cuz, back on another mission. Today we're gonna make something amazing out of all of these blocks. Let's do it! What's it gonna be, my cousins? I got a mean idea. All right, let's go. Let's count them together, whānau, from the bottom. Tai, rua, tore, wha, rima, ona, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. That's 10. Whoa. Oh, let's go. Oh. Awesome. Now, we need 10 white ones. Okay, all right. One more. 10. Save this one to the middle. Whoa, here we go. Oh, there's that one. Cool. All right, now we need some more. Yeah, my cousins, we're almost done. I just got one more person to add. I'm gonna call him Matua. Check it out. Ooh, me name. Today, I wanted to build the front of a wharenui, and the person on the top is Matua. Yeah. I went with red, white, and black because tinoranga tiratanga all day, my cousins. Have a good day. Ka kite.
How good is this spending time in the outdoors? Enjoying the taiao, cooking marshmallows.
Aw, I love being here with you all. E te whānau. Me too.
If you're happy and you know it, do you know what you should do?
Clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Oh, my marshmallows.
Perfect.
The cuz Buzz should be here any minute. I love when whānau come to visit.
Knock, knock.
That'll be him now.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Ketchup who?
catch up with me and I'll tell you.
Whoa. Come on then, whānau. I suppose we better catch up.
There you are, Tama. Hey, Buzz is already here.
Oh, yeah, no, I just...
Well, what did you pack? Is it awesome? Is it fun?
Cuz, it's me, Buzz. Of course it is.
Well, show us.
Okay, well, wait here, okay? And close your eyes, because it's a surprise. I'm a scary Taniwha!
Buzz, did you bring dress up?
Oi, try something on.
Oh. Kia ora.
Well, howdy there, partner.
Ta-da!
Well, howdy, cowgirl. Miss Rayona and Tama.
Well, I couldn't decide, so I chose these fairy wings, this police hat, this funny red nose. Honk, honk, I'm a... thingamajig.
Oh, God, away. Well, kia ora, thingamajig.
Tēnā koutou.
Well, welcome to this here campsite, Mr. Taniwha. Can I offer you a marshmallow?
Tēnā koe.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
What you doing?
I'm making a salad for whānau dinner. I come from a big litter, so it has to be a big one.
What's a litter, Oma?
Oh, it means my siblings and I were born at the same time, so we are part of one litter.
Ah, so your litter is like your pack. Pack is the word for family of wolves.
Oh, cool. I guess there are lots of different words for family.
Yep, and I have another one too. Whānau.
Am I part of your whānau, Wolfie?
Of course. You and Maya and Tama and Jojo too. And you, of course, Mōhio. We're all one big whānau.
Oh.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako, do 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 do. Peppy Mako. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark, do 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 do. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark.
I have a very cool whānau visiting in the garden. Would you like to meet them? Te tiro. We have a whānau of rāpiti. Can you tell which one is the mummy rabbit and which one is the baby rabbit? The big one is the mama. And this is her pepe from her litter.
Okay, Oma. Wait right here.
Can I open my eyes yet?
Not yet. Okay. Toru, rua, tahi. Oma, you can open your eyes.
A baby rabbit. What are you doing here?
They've come to visit.
They're so cute. Look at their little ears. Wait, right there. I've been saving this one. It's a good one.
Oma's bought you a karoti, a carrot.
My karoti is your karoti.
You're such a kind rabbit, Oma Rāpiti.
So are we cousins on our mum's side or our dad's side?
Kia ora e hoa mā. I'm Auntie Anika, and I felt a little bit sad today and anxious. And yesterday I felt grumpy, and the day before I was happy. But do you know what I do when I'm feeling a little bit emotional? I like to take deep breaths in and out. Do you want to do it with me? Okay. Sit down, get really comfortable. Okay. Okay. Ha ki roto. And ha ki waho. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. Or, as I like to call them, ninja breaths. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. You feel better? Okay, let's try it one more time. Ha ki roto. Ha ki waho. Oh, I feel so much better now. But I think I actually just need to sleep. Pumari e.
What a cool day learning all about family, whānau. I wonder what words are used by other languages for family.
In Chinese, you might say yating.
Pēnā koe mōhio.
In Spanish, familia. In Samoan, ainga. In Filipino, it is familia. In Hawaiian, it is ohana. In Japanese, it's kazoku. Po Marie Tama.
Pō Mārie mōhio.
It's that time again, whānau. It's story time, and we love stories. Tuesday is daycare day. Jade's been awake forever. Tuesday is daycare day, and Jade cannot wait. Soon, she will see Lulu, Louisa, Hera, Jimmy, and Poppy. Jade cannot wait. Today, Jade is in her dog suit. It's white and black fur. The hood has dog ears, dog eyes, and even a dog tail that Jade likes to twirl. Ziggy the kitten, who thinks he is a dog, barks at Jade, and Jade barks at him. Nico's been awake forever too. He's been riding his bike at high speed all around the house in his nappies. Listening ears, says their mum, waving Nico's pants. Nico honks, dodges, and zooms away. Jade wonders if maybe she should be a ladybird dog today. Jade digs around in her dress-ups, finding her ladybird wings. One is a bit broken, but Jade doesn't mind. Can still fly. Ready, announces Jake. Oh, but Nico is still biking around in his nappies. Listening ears, repeats their mum. This could go on forever, thinks Jade. Nico, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jade dashes into their bedroom, wrestles out of the ladybird wings, out of her doggy suit and into her policeman suit. She jumps on her police car and secretly drives out. Hiding behind a door, she waits for Nico to round the couch and then, boom! She bangs on her siren, blocking Nico's path. Under arrest, Nico, she tells him. Good work, copper, says Jade's mum, grabbing Nico. After forever, it's finally time to go. Tuesday equals daycare day, says Jade's mum. One policeman, and one Nico buckle into the superhero waka on wheels. Green light, commands the policeman at the lights, and away they go. Whoosh.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e noho rā. Ka kite